Today, I'll show you how to set up Equalizer APO on your PC step by step for the best audio experience. Step 1. Go to the official Equalizer APO website and click on Download Equalizer APO. After the download finishes, launch the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. In here, make sure to select all the playback devices and capture devices that you want Equalizer APO to be installed to. For example, in my case, I have speakers and HDMI output and the microphone. Press on OK. After that, it will give you checks done, no problems were detected. After installation, restart your computer to make sure Equalizer APO integrates properly with your system's audio. Now, go to your Start menu and launch APO Configuration Editor. In here, you can edit the configuration for each device that you've assigned earlier. For example, I'll select my speakers and here I can set the gain, I can set it higher or lower depending on how I want it to be. I can set the graphic EQ, I can change on the analysis panel, and control every aspect of the sound the way that I want it. Now, don't forget to save and apply the settings. Once you're happy with your adjustments, save the profile. Your settings will now apply automatically whenever the selected device is active. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.